Welcome to RSET in VR. In this video, we show you how to get started exploring your scan in virtual reality. Looking at your non-dominant hand, you'll see the tool menu. If not, press the menu button on your non-dominant hand controller or the B button if using an Oculus product. You should also see annotations pointing to buttons around your controllers. If not, press the menu button on your dominant hand controller or the B button if using an Oculus product. The default mode of movement is teleportation. To preview a teleport location, lightly hold the teleport button. Then when ready to teleport, fully press the teleport button. Naturally, you can rotate your character by rotating in your physical space. However, if your VR headset has cords, this is not ideal. We recommend rotating your character by using the joystick on your dominant hand. Pressing either trigger button will cause a green pointer to emit from its respective controller. These pointers are used throughout the Explore tools and allow interaction with menu items. When releasing the trigger while hovering over the left or the right button on our tool menu, the active tool is changed. To open the pause menu, on your dominant hand controller, hold down the menu button or the B button if using an Oculus product. From here, the button should be familiar from the desktop edition of RSET, with the exception of the VR options. These customizations allow you to maximize the comfort of your VR experience. The blink rotate option rotates your character in angle increments with the blink effect that hides this transition. This is recommended for users who are prone to motion sickness. If using the smooth rotate option, your character is rotated continuously for a more realistic effect. Teleport movement allows you to select a location to teleport to with a blink effect that hides a transition. This is also recommended for users who are prone to motion sickness. Smooth movement allows you to use the joystick axis to move your character around. The move while pointing option is used in the drone tool. This option makes the drone move in the direction which your controller is pointing. The move where looking option moves the drone in the direction in which you are looking. These options are only active when using teleport movement. Lastly, you can change the handedness from right-handed to left-handed, flipping the controls for a natural experience. When done selecting options, simply hit back and then resume to continue exploring your scan. This is all you need to know to use RSET in VR. For additional information, please see our other videos. Thank you for watching.